Welcome to this video, Affirmations for Youth. Think positive because it will stay in your mind and it will shape your behavior. There is no one better to be than myself. I am enough. I get better every single day. I am an amazing person. I am beautiful. All of my problems have solutions. Today I am a leader. I forgive myself for all my mistakes. My challenges help me grow. I am perfect just the way I am. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am becoming the best version of myself. Today is going to be a great day. I have courage and confidence. I can control my own happiness. I have people who love and respect me. I stand up for what I believe in. I believe in my goals and dreams. It's okay not to know everything. Today I choose to think positive. I can get through anything. I can do anything I put my mind to. I give myself permission to make choices. I can do better next time. I have everything I need right now. I am capable of so much. Everything will be okay. I believe in myself. I am proud of myself. I deserve to be happy. I am free to make my own choices. I deserve to be loved. I can make a difference. Today I choose to be confident. I am in charge of my life. I have the power to make my dreams true. I believe in myself and my abilities. Good things are going to come to me. I matter. My confidence grows when I step outside of my comfort zone. My positive thought create positive feeling. Today I will walk through my fears. I am open and ready to learn. Every day is a fresh start. If I fall, I will get back up again. I am whole. I only compare to myself. I can do anything. It is enough to do my best. I can be anything I want to be. I accept who I am. I accept who I am. I totally and completely love and accept myself. Today is going to be an awesome day. It's okay to make mistakes. I am making the right choices. I surround myself with positive people. I am product of my choices. I am strong and determined. Today is going to be my day. I have inner beauty. I have inner strength. No matter how hard it is, I can do it. I can live in the moment. I start with a positive mindset. Anything is possible. I radiate positive energy. Wonderful things are going to happen to me. I am grateful. I am grateful. I can take deep breaths. With every breath, I feel stronger. I am an original. I deserve all good things. I deserve all the beauty. My success is just around the corner. I give myself permission to make mistakes. I am thankful for today. I strive to do my best every day. I am going to push through. I am going to push through. I have got this. I can take it one step at a time. I am working at my own pace. I am going to take a chance. Today I am going to shine. I am going to do whatever it takes. I am going to get through this. I am choosing to have an amazing day. I am in control of my emotions. My possibilities are endless. I am calm and relaxed. I am working on myself. I am prepared to succeed. I am beautiful inside and outside. Everything is fine. My voice matters. I am intelligent. I accept myself for who I am. I am building my future. I choose to think positively. My happiness is up to me. I am starting new chapter today. I trust in my decisions. I can change the world by changing myself. I am smart. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and come back to listen these affirmations again and again and again. This will empower you, enables you to become the best version of yourself.